Hi, I am excited to share that we are launching our physics course on YouTube channel, which is focused on helping you improve your problem solving skills for JEE Mains and JEE Advanced IIT JEE. So who can benefit from following this course on our channel? Students who are enrolled in a coaching institute, whether FITJEE or Akash or Unacademy, Vedantu, Allen, Resonance, whatever that might be, or the students who are self-studying and have some beginner level knowledge of the chapter. Our focus is on different types of questions that are asked on a given topic or chapter in JEE Main and JEE Advanced, and we will be sharing the concepts and step-by-step approach to solving them. And we will make sure that you feel a measurable difference in your preparedness if you stick with this study plan. And yes, we do realize that all students struggle with managing time between studying for the 3 subjects, attending classes in their coaching institutes, and of course, they have to tend to their commitments at school. So the course that we are designing is meant to give you the most benefit in the least amount of time. So what can you expect from us? That is the ACE team. You will get to learn about almost all the unique different types of questions that you can expect, and you will get to learn about the approach to solve them. You will get to practice quite a few questions from the question bank if you do not have a question bank already. And yes, we will cover all the topics latest by December end for each class. So for class 11th, we'll try and finish it by December end. And similarly for class 12th, we'll try and finish the class 12 syllabus by December end. And yes, you can ask questions in the comment section and we'll try and answer them promptly. And before we conclude, I am sharing a link which will give you access to all the material week by week. So you should bookmark that link and you will get your week by week study plan. So keep practicing and wish you the very best and stay tuned.